Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and a crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch you need to chain multiples of 6 plus 2. So I'll start by chaining 33. So now for row 1, right here on the second chain from the hook, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. I will chain 1, then right after that first single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 7 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 7 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 7 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I ran out of yarn. Hold up, actually, I think I should have some more. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 7 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now through this last single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 2. And now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 3 I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this first single crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3, Then through the same single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 3, then right here through this single crochet between these shells I'll make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Now right here through this single crochet chain right here between these shells I'll make 3 double crochet through that same chain. So 1, 2, and 3. I'll chain 3, I'll skip the next 3 chains, through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, through this single crochet chain you see right here through between these shells I'll make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. I'll chain 3, I'll skip the next 3 chains, through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, right here through a single crochet chain between these shells I'll make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. I'll chain 3, I'll skip the next 3 chains, through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 2, now right here through this last single crochet chain I'll make 2 double crochet through that same chain. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 1. Now through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. Through the 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these next 3 double crochet chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through the 3rd chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these 3 double crochet chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, and 3. Through this 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through the 3rd chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 3 double crochet chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through the 3rd chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these next 3 double crochet chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then through the 3rd chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now through this last 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these next 2 double crochet chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Now through the same chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 4. This is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.